I hooked up with about a 26, 27 inch, I believe, sharp nose, Atlantic sharp nose, and got it right up down here. And the line for the drop net was tangled. So I thought, I can just flip it. I personally wasn't strong enough to flip it because I'm skinny and weak or something. Because I'm hungry and stuff. But my friend said he was strong enough to flip it. And when he tried to flip it, the rod decided it was tired. It's had enough. So, yeah. I tied it all together so it didn't do nonsense. And he left me with his rod till the next time we see each other. And it's entirely not his fault. I thought the rod would hold it. He thought the rod would hold it, and the other guy out here thought the rod would hold it. Damn thing did not hold it. I think I'm just too shocked to be mad. Like, ow. Yeah, that didn't feel good. Who would have guessed? So now I don't have to worry about the rod or line giving out on me. I have to worry about giving out on the rod or line. Oh joy. I just had a great revelation. Thunderstorm. This thing's crackling a lot. And I've touched quite a few things that have shocked me. Like there's static electricity. Huh. Thunderstorm. Carbon fiber lightning rod. Water. Nah, I'll be good. It's so over.